Alex here at the VIP, and today I'll be showing you how to separate your computer, how to share two screens at once. Let's say if you're reading about Berlin, I have a Berlin, the capital of Germany, tab open in Microsoft Edge. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab it in an open space, and then I'm going to drag it to the top of my computer screen. See, and it gives me the option right here automatically to put it on that side, but also should give you the option, as you can see right here, it gives me the option to put it right next to my Google tab or put it on any one of these little slide out templates that they have right here. But I'm just going to put it right there, and as you can see now, it has accumulated. I can do my Berlin write up, and I can read about the capital of Berlin on this side as well. You can flip it around in many ways as well. You can do it like this. You can see the side of CapCut that I'm working on. Create another project. Maybe create another Google Doc. Just at the X. Now I restore this to the original form within. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's a cool feature on computers where you could organize your computer screen so you don't have to be switching back and forth between tabs, and it makes life generally easier. I thank you for tuning into the video. Bye.